Have you ever been made to feel like something is wrong with you for questioning God? Has a Christian dismissed your negative experience because they don't see it the same? Have you ever made a logical argument that a Christian dismisses because my church doesn't teach that? As if their exception disproves the rule. It's called gaslighting. Gaslighting is defined as manipulating someone by psychological means into questioning their own sanity. I always find it interesting how Christians use exceptionalism to dismiss the experiences of others that differ from their worldview. It's gaslighting. In other words, they will invariably say something like, "That's not how my church thinks," or "not how I think," or "you must have had a bad experience." This implies your experience is the exception to everyone else's wonderful experience of Christianity, and that something is obviously wrong with you. The truth is that many Christians are suffering behind closed doors and will present themselves as living life in a wonderful bliss. But you know the truth of living those doctrines. You know the experiences of many. Christians who gaslight you by dismissing your experience is not right. Your experience is relevant and it is nothing wrong with you questioning. You've awakened. They are asleep. You are powerful in ways they will never comprehend. What you need is more knowledge of understanding the doctrines, their origins, and how they impact you psychologically. KCL is unique in that the content addresses your questions about Christian doctrines, what to do next, and step-by-step guidance on how to do it and live it. Gain more confidence that will make you live life boldly, authentically, unapologetically, and on your terms without guilt or shame. Join the African Mind Rewire class in the KCL community and learn how to spirituality instead of theory about spirituality.